45 minutes drive or train ride south of Perth is the metro area's only north-facing beach. And while it's always been a really pretty little place to visit, Rockingham has literally come of age overnight. To say she's had a bit of work done, well, that would be an understatement. Time to revisit an old favourite. If you've visited Rockingham before, in my humble opinion, the powerhouse of quickie getaways, loved it, kayaked with the seals, swum with the dolphins, gone gaga at the city's littlest residents, played golf with the kangaroos, maybe walked along the coastline with one of the traditional owners, or dropped in for a spot of paddleboarding, it is time to experience Rockingham 2.0. I am going to call in an expert to give us the grand tour. Last year, Rockingham Beach Foreshore underwent a stunning transformation and the locals are pretty happy with the results. So Barry, are you a Rockingham local?
Well, it depends what your class is local. Down in Rockingham, people expect you to be here for 50 years. So I've only been here probably about 38 years, but I class myself a local, obviously live here. My two sons have got houses here as well.
What are your favourite memories of the Foreshore area?
Yeah, I remember coming down here as a kid, coming from Perth with mum and dad, the old Sunday sessions back in probably the 60s and 70s, standing over there at the Rockingham Hotel, waiting for mum and dad to bring me a squash and a packet of potato chips out.
Now you've grown up and you've bought your own place here.
Yeah. Lucky had a business here for a long time and moved to Rockingham, and my boys grew up here as well.
Well, when we were here last year, we were doing some filming. We didn't get any shots of the Foreshore area, though, because it was under redevelopment. I'm very excited today, though. Where should we start?
Well, I think if you're going to have a look at the redevelopment here, some $15.7 million worth, you start at Railway Terrace, where we've increased the alfresco experience. Come down to the plaza here, where there's a lot of activity and that happening, especially on weekends. And then go to the boardwalk here, where there's more alfresco dining and some of the best restaurants in Perth as well. The green area here, which is always full of people, so it's connecting the community people to the green and to the ocean, which is a beautiful ocean behind us.
Did you achieve everything you set out to achieve?
I think we have. I mean, we really wanted to connect our people and our community to the ocean, and in doing so, bring that plaza into it. The feedback we're getting from the community is very positive. There's lots of things happening down here as we've opened it up since about September. There's a lot of events happening on Churchill Park as well, which is like we've already had New Year's Eve, we've got Australia Day as well. All these events happening around this time of the year, and our summer series of events as well. You can go for a swim, or you can just relax on the foreshore here.
I was going to ask you what your favourite bits about it were, but I think you might have just outlined them. Is there anything you've missed out?
Well, there's lots of things like windsurfing. They had a kite carnival here only recently around in Safety Bay. It's really, I think, Australia-wide known. They had people from around the world over there. So there's lots of, aquatic sports here. And people talk about they haven't been here for years. We talked about my early experiences here. Come down and rediscover Rockingham. This is your aquatic playground. So there's lots to do for everybody.
I have had a lovely day here in Rockingham where the coast comes to life. I reckon that area will be coming to life very soon with lots of kite surfers. And if you want to rediscover all that Rockingham has to offer for yourself, all you need to do is log on to their website. See you here soon.